For and next year another episode of McBrown's Kitchen behind the scenes.
McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow, so when you know, no, am I in here?
And next year, hey, Ghana for Brantia Papa, and open with Dynama, some kids. It is none other than Yan Kasaya Kofi Kinaata. That's what's up. Hey, and then paparazzi for they be interview Amunya paparazzi. Let us say it is na and next year, I didn't know I do have.
I'm a chef. We invite me to mayor one day. So, whom we had a mayor one day.
Ebbers man or any monoa.
BBI, some babies, be me a beansologist at Asanti. I'd be already been see be a expert in some babies. In the beans number for the beans fall apart. Burn your beans, or your normal beans, or your regular beans needed to be. Yeah.
I don't know what's up. I didn't know what's the year on your normal beans. What is ever neck?
Okay, it's or a beans, but your beans are considered.
What? Any day?
It be my friend about Bambale beans, but you're fan Apple boy, yes,
I never come home.
Bonnie Apple boy, but I am normal at us. Apple boy, no, they obey the Apple baby still can be and number can be not until we are. Between the Gary Gudu, between the bread, between quite the bread, the beans fall apart. The beans not your regular.
That's what's up. It's I had that. It's me can't check out for say with the binding your day.
I had a bed.
We are sure. I had that Meko.
Me the man I had that.
Mate.
Kinaata.
That's what's up. And say you Kofi Kinaata and I'm in Casano.
And a pay so you the mediation. So McBrown's Kitchen. What do we say? Amen.
McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow.
Please, let's go. Please.
Sound. Action.
McBrown's Kitchen,
McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen,
McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen,
me invite the guest number. DJ,
McBrown's Kitchen.
let's go.
Friday, all night, Saturday night, our club.
Let's go.
Yes. And the sheep of the Bible,
McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share. McBrown's Kitchen,
McBrown's Kitchen, yeah, that was
McBrown's Kitchen.
For Kofi Kinaata and one
Beans fall apart.
beans fall apart. Well, not beans fall apart. Ne we was under sandwich or the beer here. Just say nyasa nketwa eduane no A1. Why are the one brag kwa wanye gaga kwa eduane was very good. Now, how do you feel?
Beans there. But when the money, why the money beans? Be a beansologist.
I don't know at all.
No, for fun, like be a beansologist. Be a beans in school. Beans in anas. To make a beans fall apart. I ration at us. You really deliver.
Na oba so you set ni your crew ni the reception no one is saying.
Hey who provide obiara sro ha ni je mora na background po tight that as Kekeli shout out to Kekeli.
Shout out to Kekeli. Kekeli. Ma on so who is saying.
Odosun. Ali.
And the fakakra mami.
More calling you tell iron.
Which one?
Cooker.
But from me rice cooker.
Hey, I don't see favorite too. But no, I'm I be I've been quite been cool. It is latest one I'll be on American lunch at Asa.
Obika say be Oba McBrown's kitchens a hand. What was your experience? Obika say.
I the bunny P I had aside being seen remember the man backstage P like Obia with smiles now, Obia only a Juma, but why the work and happiness level will be at Asa, you know. A high and nice. I hope that me fellow artists now over Bahadi or try to obey the band. But so far, Titan I'm Kita. Yeah, beansiologist.
Bean sandwich.
Beans fall apart. Malana money.
Yeah, that was to sell by Kofi. In fact, on the hair on the corner.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.